Welcome to day 20 of Christmas Countdown, or Countdown to Christmas. I can never remember what I've called it, with JWH Millinery. If you want to see what is in box 20, then keep on watching. So this has been a journey. I have opened this box upside down. It has been a journey to say the least, and I have a lot of supplies. Let's get rid of this. A lot of supplies already, and we still have 5 days to go. This is crazy. Yeah, like, thank you to everybody that has watched this series so far. It really does mean a lot. And today we have more crin. Okay, so we have some white crin, which, I'll be honest with you, I never really use whites as such, but that's really nice. I mean, it's, you know, it's just, it's, I mean, it's crin, but it's a nice white and it's very bright. And we also have some translucent blue Fimo as well. So, okay, I'll see what we can do with that in the hats that we make in January. So I shall just pop those there. What's this? Oh, just today's tells me what it is. And today's question of the day is minimalism or over the top? Over the top. I struggle with minimalism. I very much do. As you can see, my Christmas tree is over the top. When I'm designing, I struggle with simple and plain. I like to throw out everything I can at it. So yeah, that's just my aesthetic though. Like that's kind of what I do, I think. Yeah, that's it really. But thank you for joining me today on day 20. We don't have long left now. Hopefully you will have done a lot of your Christmas shopping. You'll have some of your Christmas dinner under prep maybe. I mean, I'm very lucky. I don't actually have to cook anything this year. Obviously, we must, in fact, get some booze. Just making a note. We need to get some booze for Christmas Day before it all gets sold out. So yeah, thanks for joining me today. Day 20 of Countdown to Christmas with JWH Millinery. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, hit that notification bell to be notified when we release videos in future. Every day in December, we're uploading a video at 8 AM UK time for this advent calendar. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.